Hello students, open your textbook page number 168, chapter number 2, environmental sanitation. So today we are going to study the last point of this lesson, that is waste management. So that about waste management we had learned in the previous video. Okay, so we in waste management we have to separate out biodegradable waste and non-biodegradable waste to keep our environment clean and healthy. Okay, so first we will study about biodegradable waste. So biodegradable waste can be disposed of by making compost. So how we have to dispose the biodegradable waste? So we have to dispose that biodegradable waste by making compost. The process of making compost is given below. So how to make a compost from biodegradable waste, that we will study. So first, dig a pit in the ground, fill it with biodegradable waste. Biodegradable waste means what? The kitchen waste. जो हम किचन में जो बचा हुआ खाना जो थ्रो करते हैं, that is called biodegradable waste. जो फूड और फ्रूट के जो छिलके होते हैं, पील्स, वो that is called biodegradable waste. So first we have to dispose the biodegradable waste. We have to do dig a pit in the ground. हमें एक ऐसे खड्डा या होल ग्राउंड में करना है. Fill it with biodegradable waste such as the leftover food, eggshells, kitchen waste such as fruits and vegetable peels, and dry leaves that have fallen from the trees. Third, cover the pit with soil. हमें क्या करना है, उस ग्राउंड में हम जो वेस्ट है, जो घर का बचा हुआ खाना, एग के शेल्स, वेजिटेबल पील्स, ड्राई लीव्स, वो हमें उस ग्राउंड में डालने हैं. और देन कवर द पिट विथ सॉइल, उसके ऊपर फिर से सॉइल डालनी है. दिस वेस्ट गेट डिकम्पोज बाय बैक्टीरिया एंड फॉर्म कंपोस्ट. एंड आफ्टर सम डेज दिस वेस्ट is decomposed by bacteria. This waste is mixed with the soil and decomposed by bacteria, and after some times it will turn into the compost, and the compost can be used as a fertilizer in the field. So compost हम कहाँ पे use कर सकते हैं? Field में, as a fertilizer to grow crops. So this way we can dispose the biodegradable waste, and we can keep our environment healthy, clean and healthy. So let's see about how to dispose non-biodegradable waste. Non-biodegradable waste such as glass, plastic and metals should be recycled to produce new goods. Recycling is the process of converting waste materials into useful materials. So first, which are the non-biodegradable waste? So glass, plastic and metals. These are the non-biodegradable waste. So we have to recycle these biodegradable waste, okay, to produce new goods. So recycling is the process of converting waste materials into useful materials. Recycling means what? Is the process of converting waste material. मतलब waste से क्या बनाना है? Useful materials. So it is called recycling. So let's see biogas. Biogas is a mixture of gases, mainly methane and carbon dioxide, produced from decaying plant and animal matter. Plant and animal matter such as straw, manure and household waste are collectively called biomass. Gobar gas is biogas generated out of cow dung. जो cow dung होता है उससे क्या मिलता है? गोबर गैस. So in the villages they are also having some gobar gas plants. So gobar gas or biogas, gobar gas means only biogas. Plants are being set up all over India. This technique serves two purposes. Plant and animal waste is recycled. So how it will what is mean by biogas? So biogas is a mixture of gases, mainly methane and carbon dioxide, and it is produced from decaying plant. Decaying plant means what? जो टूटे हुए plants होते हैं, and animal matter means cow dung. Animal matter means cow dung. So उससे क्या होता है? Biogas. And plants and animals such as straw, manure and household waste. So from these we get the biogas will be produced. So plant and animals waste is recycled. The biogas produced is used for cooking. So using this biogas we can do our cooking. तो बायोगैस कुकिंग के लिए भी यूज कर सकते हैं. The biogas plant consists of the following parts: an airtight circular pit. See, circular pit, airtight circular pit made of concrete. ये सीमेंट से, कंक्रीट सीमेंट से ये बनाते हैं circular pit. Pipes to carry waste into the digester. These are the pipes to carry. So इस pit में क्या डालते हैं? Waste means cow dung डालते हैं, decaying plants डालते हैं, straw इसमें डालते हैं, and this pipe carries the waste into the digester. This is a digester. Okay. Yes, usually directly from the cattle shed. So a gas pipe with control valves connected to the fireplace stove in the kitchen. Okay. So so students, sorry, again I will tell you. So this is, see, in this rectangular shape, or this is called digester. So इसमें क्या डालते हैं? इसमें decaying plants डालते हैं, इसमें cow dung. See, this is a cow dung. It will throw in this rectangular digester. Okay, and these are the two pipes. These two pipes, they are these pipes carries the carry waste into the digester. This is a digester. Okay, into the digester, and this is a concrete pit, and this pipe having two control valves connected to the fireplace stove in the kitchen. तो ये जो पाइप्स है वो स्टोव के यहाँ पे कनेक्ट होते हैं और उससे क्या मिलता है? हमें गैस मिलता है. ओके, सो द पिट इज फिल्ड विद बायोमास एंड द रिक्वायर्ड क्वांटिटी ऑफ water or wastewater. The bacteria present in the waste helps to break them down to produce methane, which is colorless, odorless, and burns well as a fuel. So this biogas we can use as a fuel. मतलब सिलेंडर कैसे जैसे हम यूज कर सकते हैं, सिलेंडर में गैस होता है, वैसे ही बायोगैस we can use as a fuel for our cooking. So from this we get the biomass. This is a biogas plant. So it will set up in the many villages, and this biogas plant is useful to cook our food. So let's see, choose the correct answer. Dash waste can be disposed of by making compost peat. Which one? Non-biodegradable waste. Dash can be recycled. Plastic. Biogas mainly consists of methane. So student, let's see the recall. Environmental sanitation. In this chapter we had learned about types of waste, biodegradable and non-biodegradable. Types of pollution: air pollution, land pollution, water pollution, noise pollution. Waste management: biodegradable waste, compost, biogas, non-biodegradable waste, and recycling. So student, here we have completed chapter number 2, environmental sanitation. So read the topic again, and if you have not understood the topic, we will discuss in our Google class, and complete your homework. Thank you, students.